Alright folks, we are on the road. I think today's the 28th of May. I left Mike's place at 11:30. It's now 3 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon. I'm in South Carolina. You can probably hear the construction going on behind me. They are redoing the whole place. Supposed to be done by the end of the year. Stopped to get a map and a $2.50 water out of a vending machine, which ain't bad, I don't think, for on the side of the road. It's hot out today. I ran into one little rainstorm so far. You can probably hear the traffic in the background. But things are going really well. Here in a minute, I'm going to drink some of this and put some more water in my cup and mix an energy drink up. Then I'll show you what they're doing over here, and we'll get back on the road. We're set to a sign to arrive probably, I'm guessing, 7:30, 8 o'clock at the hotel in Woodstock, Georgia. Then tomorrow I do traction dynamics at 9 a.m. and I guess I'll spend the rest of the day just doing whatever. Walking around, maybe looking at the town if the weather permits. Very hot. Very hot. I don't know what the temperature is. Let me check. Especially wearing this textile climb gear. It's really warm. Thunderstorms expected around 5. Perfect. Hopefully I'll be through that. And then cloudy, 87. Blacksburg, South Carolina. So yeah, it's a little toasty. Let me get some liquids in me, and then we'll show you what's going on over here, and then we'll get back on the road. I think my bike took most of the water. Yeah, so right now they got a temporary trailer set up here. For all the construction. Yeehaw, huh? I would hate to live over there or over there. But here's what we got for what they're doing. That is the brand new welcome center being made and built. Temporary visitor center, temporary bathrooms, semi-parking over there. 85, I think, traffic right there. The Gold Wing's doing perfect. But it's going good. I mean, I wouldn't mind getting stuck in some rain at this temperature, so if I hit some, oh well. I'm in waterproof gear, the vents are open, but it wouldn't be that bad, I don't think. I don't know how long it is till I get to Georgia. I didn't really look at the map real well, but when I get there, I'll get a map as well, so. But for right now, that's all from the road. We'll talk to you later. About 120 miles to go, or a little less. Got my Georgia state map. Put that in the bike here in a minute. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and unstrap some of this crap and get my cooler out so I can get to my food. I got some overnight oats that I'm gonna eat, and then there's a picnic table over there we're gonna sit at. Looks like it might rain. All in all, trip seems to be going all right. I'll be glad to get to the hotel. I let them know I was going to be a little late, like 8 o'clock. So right now my destination time is 7, and I'm stopping here. So that's obviously going to slow things up a little bit. I'm in a real big hurry if I can get to the hotel by 8, and then I think I lost track of me again. But if I can get to the hotel by 8, that should be more than good enough. So feel pretty good about that. Where's this spoon at? My spoon's in here. Yep. Yeah, I don't want this to fly off there, but I just gotta get into the cooler. Oh yeah. Diet Coke. What was that? Oh. Grab my tripod. That's all right. It's meant to take a beating. It's meant to take a beating. Okay, I'm subject loss thing. And overnight oats, so that's what we're having. And hopefully this will not fall off. That should be alright while we're doing what we're doing. Alright, let's go eat. Alright, well, I'll come back for the camera. Hello. I must say, bringing food along with me on this trip has been a very good idea and very helpful. All right, so we're gonna sit over here and enjoy our overnight oats. Usually at breakfast, but it's gonna be a dinner for right now, and I'll have another dinner at a hotel tonight. Kimberly helped me use their vacuum seal pouch, taught me how to use that, so now I can vacuum seal my meals. I have one at home, I just never opened it and used it, so looking forward to that. But it's not horribly hot, but I wouldn't want to die from heat stroke. I'll set this over here so you can kind of see the stuff in the background. But yeah, I think all in all, I think this thing's stretching out a little bit, but my big head going through, it's kind of defeated it. The Sport 9 neck sock. Hopefully I don't need any sugar in this because I don't feel like going back to the bike to get the Splenda. I know it's just right there, but I'm getting tired, y'all. Been on the road since 11:30. It's 5 o'clock now. 87 to 90 degree weather. So, you know, take its toll on you. Haven't ate anything since probably 10. Had a hamburger at Mike's. Get my phone out of my pocket. It's probably hotter than hell with the back charger on it. Oh yeah, that thing's warm, 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 warm. My key fob to my roll wing's low. My bike just told me it needs replaced. Thankfully, I always carry those batteries with me. I have some in my backpack, so I won't be able to do it right now, but at the hotel tonight, we will be changing a key fob battery. And then tomorrow morning, I think we'll probably get the hotel and unpack. I probably will put my riding pants on, riding jeans, and I'll probably go down and see where they're located so I know how to find them tomorrow. I may also look for a grocery store. This is not real cold. It's chilled though. Should be alright. Got almond milk in it. Can't be as bad as regular milk when it gets warm, can it? Probably warmed up just being out here. If I get sick, I know I'm wrong.